everyone. Myself is Vinodni. I'm my assistant professor in biotechnology department. Today I'm going to teach about enzymology of DNA replication. So I'll just give a small introduction about that enzymology of DNA replication. So the fundamental property of living organism. So in this there is a ability to respond in a organisms that is produced in a offspring. Some similar differences there. So it is occurs in a single parent cell divides. It's produced in a two identical daughter cells. So in this genetic material, this must be duplicated in a prior to the cell division. So that the daughter cells revise in a full complement of the genetic information. So next we're going to see about the replication means. So the synthesis of daughter nucleic acid. So that molecules identical to the parental nucleic acids. So the DNA is essential to ability in a cell mechanism to reproduce. So in this DNA is made up of a double helix, two complementary strands. So during the replication, so these are the enzymes. In future we are going to see about what are the enzymes we say. Okay. So this is the enzyme. It's involved in a DNA replications. So DNA helicase, DNA polymerase, DNA clamp, single strand binding. So that is the SSB protein, topoisomerase, DNA ligase, and primers. So first going to see about the DNA helicase. So helicase is discovered in E. coli in 1976. So it is a class which is in the living in organisms. So also known as in the helicase establishing the enzyme. So it separates the two strands of DNA. So that is in a replication fork. So fork like a double strand is, it should be in a separate to the single strands. So there are motor proteins is there that moved in a direction. So in nucleic acid phosphorus, that is a backbone and separating in a two annelide. So for example, the DNA, RNA and the RNA DNA hybrid. So using the ATP hydrolysis. So that is a molecular weight is in a 300 molecular weights. So this is the structure of the DNA replication. So this is a stand. So here which should be the helicase should be using that step separate the strands. So this is a 3' to 5' and 5' to 3' to 5'. So using the primerase, single strand binding protein and topoisomerase. So this is the structure of the DNA replications. So and then DNA polymerase. So DNA polymerase, that is the enzyme that synthesizes in a DNA molecules. So deoxyribonucleotide, that is the building block of DNA. So these enzymes is essential to DNA replication. Usually it's paired to create the two identical DNA strands. So from it should be from a single original DNA molecule. And then during this process, the DNA polymerase it's read the existing DNA strands and to creating the new DNA strands. So this is a proofreading and error correction. So this is the overall process of the DNA polymerase. So already we said about the double stranded DNA. So and then the replication fork. So here that using the helicase, the two strands will be separated and DNA polymerase using to leading the new strands synthesis. So this is the overall process of the DNA polymerase. So in this DNA replication, two different things. One is the prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So here that in prokaryotic 5 different DNA polymerase is there. So polymerase 1, polymerase 2, polymerase 3, 4 and 5. So in eukaryotic more than 15 is there. So DNA polymerase alpha, delta, omega and then delta. So these are the different types is followed. In prokaryotic DNA polymerase, so in polymerase 1, it's filling the gap and then after its removal the RNA primer and it's repair the DNA and then finally it will remove the primers. So this in exonuclease activity, so there are 5' to 3' and 3' to 5'. So DNA polymerase 2, it's repair the DNA in the direction is 3' to 5'. And DNA polymerase 3 is replicating and proofreading in editing. So on the direction is 3 to 5. So in eukaryotic DNA polymerase, so in alpha it's replication in the DNA repair, and exonuclease activities there is no activity, and then in beta it's repair the DNA and no activity in exonuclease. So in gamma it's replication in a mitochondria and the direction is 3' to 5'. So in delta replication DNA repair, so in direction is 3' to 5'. So in epsilon replication is 3' to 5'. So these are the difference between a prokaryotic and eukaryotic and the polymerase activity and exo activities. And then going to see DNA clamp. So DNA clamp is that is sealing the protein which is hold in the DNA replication. So in critical some components of this in polymerase holoenzyme that should be in a clamp the protein which is bind in the DNA polymerase and prevent some dislocating in the templates. So this is the structure. So this is a parental strand. So DNA polymerase which is starting the new parental strands. So here that sealing the clamp, this is a holding the region, and this is the origin of the replication. So once the DNA polymerase started, so here the primers are removed by the using that DNA polymerase. And then next going to see single strand binding, that is the SSB. Single stranded binding protein prevent the reannealing and binding to the complementary DNA sequence. So it's protect the single strand DNA, so it's digest the nucleus and then it's prevent the secondary strand formations. And also it's avoiding that some error in the things. So molecular weight is 75,600. So in this contains 400 identical subunits which is present in the single strand. So this is the figure we showing in the single strand binding protein. And next going to see topoisomerase. So every cell have enzyme that increase or decrease in the strand, that is unwinding in a topoisomerase. So topoisomerase also called as DNA grease. So it acts in a topology of DNA. So it bind in a double strand and it cut in a phosphate of the backbone either or in a one both of the DNA strands. So in this intermediate it break allow the DNA to be untangled and unbundled. So this should be in the end of the process. So this is the structures. So this is the structure which is showing that backbone DNA. So this is sticky end, and then this is the process of the ligation. So once DNA is broken in the two different things, so the ligation should be the enzymes which is joined, that is called the ligation. So that is the recombinant DNA. So next primers. So in this primers the enzyme involved in the replication of DNA. So the type of DNA is the type is called RNA polymerase. So the primers catalyze synthesis in a short DNA or DNA in some organism. So the segment called primary, the primer complementary, that is ssDNA template. So the primer is, that is a key important of DNA replication. So it is because it's known to replicative DNA polymerase. So it can initiate in a synthesis of the DNA strand without initial RNA or DNA primers. So that is the primer of the DNA elongations. So this is the direction of the replication. So overall structure, helicase, and then single stranded binding. This is a primerase and RNA primers. This is the overall process. So this is a DNA strand, and then here the DNA ligase is there, DNA polymerase, RNA primer, that is the initiate the new strand synthesis. So role of the topoisomerase is unwind the strand and releasing the mechanical states and unwinding. So helicase role is, so it will unwind the DNA replication in a fork, and then here the SSB protein binds the single strand of the DNA replication fork.